Hi and welcome. If you're watching this, there's a good chance you've thought about buying a home, but maybe you're unsure where to start, worried about money, or just overwhelmed by everything you've heard. I want you to know something right away. Buying your first home does not have to be confusing or stressful when you have the right information and the right guide. My name is Laura. I'm a realtor, and I've helped many first-time buyers go from I have no idea what I'm doing to we just got our keys. Today, I'm going to walk you through the process in plain English, step by step. No pressure, no sales pitch, just clarity. Before we talk about the process, let's clear up a few things that stop people from buying sooner than they should. Here's the first myth. You need 20% down. That's simply not true. Many first-time buyers purchase with significantly less, and some qualify for assistance programs. Here's the second myth. Your credit has to be perfect. No, your credit needs to be understood, not perfect. And here's the third myth. Zillow is step one. Scrolling homes before you understand your numbers usually leads to frustration and disappointment. If any of these thoughts have been holding you back, you're not behind. You're just missing the roadmap. The very first step in buying a home is not house hunting. It's financial readiness. That starts with a pre-approval, not a pre-qualification. A pre-approval means a lender has looked at your income, credit, and debt and given you a realistic price range. This gives you confidence, leverage, and clarity. This step also helps you understand what your monthly payment could look like, how much cash you actually need, and what programs or grants you may qualify for as a first-time buyer. And here's the most important part. Talking to a lender does not mean you're committing to buying tomorrow. Information is power, period. Once your finances are clear, then the fun part begins. This is where many first-time buyers get stuck trying to find the perfect home. And I want to free you from that mindset right now. Your first home does not have to be your forever home. Instead of perfection, we focus on location, layout, long-term value, and what fits your lifestyle right now. Granite countertops can change. Paint colors can change. Location usually cannot. My role during this stage is to help you narrow options, stay grounded, and make smart choices that serve you financially, not just emotionally. Once you find the right home, we move into making an offer, and this is where having the right realtor matters. An offer is not just the price. It includes terms, timelines, inspections, and protections for you. Inspections are not something to fear. They are there to protect you. Appraisals make sure you're not overpaying, and negotiations are about strategy, not pressure. My job here is to make you feel secure, confident, protected, and informed every step of the way. After your offer is accepted, most buyers feel excited and then nervous. This stage includes inspections, appraisals, underwriting, and the final approval. It can feel quiet at times, but silence doesn't mean nothing is happening. This is where patience matters and where guidance matters even more. Before closing, you'll do a final walkthrough to make sure the home is in the condition agreed upon. Then comes closing day, the day you sign paperwork and receive your keys. Yes, it's a lot of documents. No, you don't need to understand every word alone. That's why I'm here. Let me save you from a few common mistakes I see first-time buyers make. First mistake, changing jobs or making large purchases before closing. That's a no-no. Skipping inspections to win a deal? Absolutely not. Number 3, being afraid to ask questions. There's no dumb questions in real estate, only expensive assumptions. If you don't understand something, you should ask. If there's one thing I hope you take away from this, it's this. You do not need to be ready to start the conversation. If buying a home is something you're considering in the next 6 to 12 months, the best time to get educated is now. Whether you're just curious, just starting, or trying to figure out what's realistic for you, I'm here to help. If this video was helpful, make sure to follow and subscribe for more real estate education. And if you're ready to talk about your next steps, reach out via my survey linked in the video description for a buyer consultation. Education comes first. Pressure never does. I'll see you soon.